Hello, my name is Brian Kelly with Synergy Electrical Sales. Here today to discuss Lutron's Caséta system. Caséta is a simple, affordable, reliable family of products to control lights, shades, and also temperature. Very simply, we have an offering of dimmers and switches. We also have an outdoor plug. We also have fan speed controls as well. With those, we then pair them to our Pico devices. Picos are lithium battery operated devices that pair up to these. So Caséta is known to be a reliable three-way option where you cannot run wire. And this device here, you will see, does not require a back box to be installed. So very simply, you can mount this to a wall. If it is a drywall, if it's wood, if it's masonry, if it's glass, you can put this device right on the wall, and then you can use it as a dimmer. We then have the ability to add a bridge. That bridge is where we start to connect to smart devices, be it phones, tablets, or even an Apple Watch. Through that is where we can do time of day functionality, as well as integrating with the likes of Alexa, Siri, and Google. From there, you're able to control many different options throughout your home. Lutron makes it easy so you can relax.